This is a log, and this is a mill, a Logosol mill, and there's a big chainsaw that runs on this rail, and you make big boards out of this log. You stack them somewhere else, and leave them for a few years, and they're ready to be made into lumber. That's the idea. And these things are heavy. I don't know how many 100 pounds, maybe thousands of pounds, I don't know. But you have to have a peavey or a cant to roll them. And helping hand helps.
What do they look like after you've milled them? Wow, that's pretty impressive looking lumber.
Yep.
What do you think's special about it?
Well, there's a lot of quarter sawn oak in here, and that's always special. You can see the rays, and it's just wonderful, beautiful wood. And, gonna make some gorgeous furniture someday.
Well, it sounds like a worthwhile enterprise.
I'm milling them 2 inches thick, and it'll take at least 2 years to get them dried down to not be able to use them yet, but to take them inside and let them finish, or put them in a kiln, which I'll just make.
I didn't know I'd have to wait 2 years.
That's right.
Well, lots of luck.
Cheers.